Finally back to work on the Nova here. I bought a little beater car. I was working on it, and then actually the day I went and looked at the beater car, the transmission line busted on my Blazer, so I had to get that fixed. And I'm finally getting to the control arms here. I just got the shock off on this side. It was a pain in the ass because the stud on top, the nut just kept spinning on it, so I had to cut it off and finally got it out. Getting ready to do the same thing on this side. I bought new shocks anyway, so. But yeah, the bottom bolts came right out. They're 1/2 inch, but this one up here on top, it's a 9/16. It starts spinning, and then it comes out a little bit, then just starts spinning. So, but we'll get the shocks out and then move on to the next step. Alright guys, after 2 long nights, the control arms are finally in there. I got the wheel turned just so you can see in there a little bit better, but here's the upper, and then the lower. New summer racing drag shocks in the front. I didn't video the process because honestly I didn't really know what we were getting into. Overall wasn't too bad. We actually used my uncle's trick, the all thread, go down through the shock or the shock mounts and use the jacket and let it off easy with the all thread. It actually works pretty good. Got them both off, and then I put the new control arms in, and then last night we got the springs and spindle back on. I didn't put the wheel on it yet, so that's what I'm about to do now, see how it sits. Now these are the drum brake spindles with disc brakes. I did the conversion last year. And from what I see, everything lines up fine. I was reading some things, they said you can't use them with the drum brake spindles. I didn't know if that was more or less just for the drum itself or what, but overall I don't see no issues here. We'll see what happens when I put the wheel on, but that shouldn't really make a difference. But yeah, overall that was a little hard to see as a wire loom. It does show that little rough spot on the frame that you normally don't see with the other, the old style control arms. Try to clean it up a little bit, but overall it ain't too bad. I'm gonna put my wheels on it and see how the car sits here, and I'm gonna try to get it, as long as everything seems good, I'm gonna try to get it aligned here, just where it don't look terrible, but I'm gonna take it to alignment shop and get a good alignment done. That way I ain't, have my tires go bald in 1,000 miles like last year, so. But let me get the wheels on and I'll lower it down and see what we got. Alright guys, I just backed it out of the garage a little bit and just rolled it a couple times back and forth. Definitely sits a little bit lower in the front, I'd say. I'd have to go back and look at a picture, but I believe there was a gap in between the fender and my tire. Now it's about even, which I like. It ain't too low, but it did lower just a hair, which I do like. But yeah, I ain't gonna be able to drive today. It's kind of rainy out. It's not raining right this second, but don't really want to drive much though till I get to alignment either. So, but I don't know to tell. I think might put another shim in the control arms there before I go ahead and drive it to the alignment shop though. But I put the old shims in just for now, but I had 2 thinner ones I might try to put down in there too. Actually, I might just take them out and put newer ones in. I got new ones just to shim it to where it looks straight to my eye, and then take to the alignment shop. But that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know I've been out here wrenching. Got them on a couple long nights. I want to thank my dad and my Uncle Rick for the hand. it definitely was a learning process. First time ever messing with control arms or springs or any of that. So, well, thanks for watching, guys. There'll be more coming soon.